Hi guys, in this video we are going to be making this creamy tiger nut drink. So let's get started. We are going to be using tiger nut. This is the dry tiger nut. You can get it anywhere in the market. We are also going to be using dates and one medium-sized coconut. This is the soaked tiger nut. I soaked this overnight. I'm going to be just washing it to make sure I take out stones and dirt from the tiger nut. Please, you should wash properly because there's going to be sand definitely in tiger nut. What we have here, stones and sand and whatever. I'm going to be removing the seed. I'm going to be using a knife, or you can actually just pound it to remove the seed, but you can soak it also for a few hours. Then when it gets soft, it will be easier for you to remove the seed. But I'm going to be using a knife because my dates aren't that hard. I'm going to go over and just take out the coconut water. Then I'm going to cut the coconut into smaller parts. Then this is the soaked tiger nut, the coconut, and I soaked the dates in water so that it won't be too hard on my blender. So I'm just going to be putting them all in the blender. I'm going in with the dates now. Then I'm going to add some water and I'm going to blend. So I'm going to use a sieve cloth to sieve this. I rinsed the blender and then I added the water in. I'm just going to squeeze out the juice, the creamy tiger nut milk. Make sure you get out all the milk. Sometimes you may need to add water so that the remaining juice will come out. I'm going to go in with some coconut flavor, half a cup of powdered milk, and mix properly. I'm going to mix till it's well combined. Look at the creaminess, guys. I'm going to add in some ice, then pour in the tiger nut drink, and guys, look what we have. This tastes so great. Thanks guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.